Hey everybody, welcome back to Whiskey and Rum. So in our last video, House of Benedict, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. There's a link up there. I told you guys that there were a couple places out near my house down in Jomtien that I had driven by several times, but just hadn't stopped in to kind of see what was going on and what they even were. Shame on me. So House of Benedict was our first stop, and it was a huge success. This is our second stop. Now, I've never been in here like I told you, so we're gonna kind of go in and explore this one together. Normally I don't do this. Normally I'll walk in, check it out, and then come back and do the video. But why not? Maybe this will be interesting. So let's go see what this place is all about. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been avoiding saying the name of this place because I know I'm not gonna pronounce it correctly. If I had to take a guess, I'd say La Campagne or La Campagne. I'm gonna have to do a little research, and then maybe I'll come back and do a little voiceover. But for right now, let's just work with what we've got. All right, you got a cute little cafe on the right, a big tea house on the left. Let's keep walking back here. It's Pattaya, you never know. There could be beer bars or a gentleman's club back here. Probably shouldn't have said that. I'll have to edit that out. I mean, it's manicured, it's beautiful. These nice little pavers. Going the farm. All right, let's explore. Let's find out. This is one of the coolest things about going into a new place. You never know what you're gonna find. And House of Benedict, if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it because I'm still blown away by that. Look, oh, hello, friend. You know I gotta feed him. Hi, buddy. Oh, don't bite me. I've been warned about you. I want to come pet you, but... Top. Hey, get out of here. Go. Psst. Those hens were literally picking at my feet. In fact, I kind of had to kick one to get it off me. So let's move on. I'm starting to feel like I'm back in Kentucky. The grounds here are beautiful. And that petting farm, you got a kid, bring them back there, they'll love it. I'm a little hungry, and when I walked by that tea house, I saw people eating in there. So let's work our way back up there. I'm gonna roll in and grab something to eat. If it's good, I'll video it. If it's not, you'll never see it. I'm gonna have a decision to make with this video, whether or not to put background music on it to cover up the sounds of my flip-flops, or just go natural with it. Yo, I'm blown away. When I came in here and sat down, I was fully expecting. I mean, it's a tea house, right? Fufu appetizers, little sponge cakes. No, this menu is a full Western menu. I mean, they've got breakfast, brunch, ribs, chicken, steaks, cheeseburgers. It looks awesome. I'm going to give you one guess as to what I'm going to order. It's decision time. What kind of tea should I get? So they've got probably, I don't know, 50 different types, flavors of teas to sample. This could take some thought. Hold, please. You didn't actually think I was gonna order tea, did you? Not in a million years. You know what this tastes like? Any of you guys from the Midwest? Bell's Oberon. It's a Michigan beer. It's exactly what that reminds me of. I'm telling you, man, this is a damn good beer. I've never had this before. Beer Lao White. Yeah, it's definitely on the list now. Wow, if this thing tastes nearly as good as it looks, we are in business. All right, aside from the beer lao, the cheeseburgers, the ribs, and the steaks, this is a true legit tea house. They've got tons of different teas, and I saw a really nice pastry display on my way in, which I may have to grab a little to-go bag. All right, I didn't take any video of me eating that cheeseburger because it just would have been obscene. I devoured it, and yeah, it was as good as it looked. There's all these butterflies flying around. I've been standing out here for like 15 minutes trying to get them in a shot, which I failed miserably. Grown man in Pattaya, standing out here trying to get butterfly shots. I better go get a drink to clear the palate. So there's another restaurant over here. We need to walk over and check that out before we leave. I'm sure you guys can hear the music in the background. That's not me. They've got little speakers all throughout the grounds here. The music's pretty good. YouTube's gonna hate it. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to mute it, but it's nice, man. It sets a good atmosphere. So that building is a Thai restaurant, and from what I've heard, it's really, really good. If I was still hungry, I'd go in and check it out. Here's a scenario. Let's say one of you guys flies into town. You go out on the town at night, you meet somebody that you like. It happens. And you're looking for a great place to take them. Just maybe even a day date, right? Want it a little bit quiet so you can have a conversation, but you want it nice? I think this is your spot. I really do. You're looking at maybe 15-minute boat ride from downtown Pattaya, 140 baht. I think your date will be impressed. And I think you'll like it too. So we're gonna add this to our repertoire of places you should check out here in Pattaya. I know you gotta peel yourself out at LK Metro off of Walking Street and out of Soi 6, but get out and explore a little bit. Find out what this town is all about. It's like I said, there's a lot of places in this town that are off the grid, off the radar, you probably should know about. So if you haven't, subscribe, like, notifications, because we're gonna keep showing you some interesting things, so follow along. Let me try to put all of this together. So inside the complex, you've got the farm in the back. That's the little petting zoo. The hens, you can buy free range eggs if that's your thing. You go up towards the front, there's the cafe in the middle, and on one side there's the tea house restaurant, and on the opposite side they've got a nice Thai restaurant. Now, in full honesty, since I shot that first video, we've been back 3 times. Yeah, I'm addicted to that burger. We've had the ribs, we've had the salmon, we've eaten at the Thai restaurant, which was really good also. I'm pretty excited. I think we're 2 for 2 on this little expedition. Went to 2 different places. They're both viable, they're both cool. I got 2 new places that I can take people to and go, hey, check this out. And we got 2 good videos out of it. Look, man, this is a successful mission. Hey, at this point, if you haven't, please, again, I gotta say this 3 times, subscribe, like, notification. All of these things are crucial to the health of the channel. It keeps me out here making videos, introducing you to some different things around Pattaya that you may not have seen before. Yes, we're gonna get back into the nightlife in the next video. In fact, that's gonna be a really good video. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of good pointers on how to kind of negotiate Pattaya. Let's call it the Pattaya survival guide. In fact, yeah, let's call it exactly that. Look for that coming up in the next week. Start production on it tomorrow. It's not gonna be your typical 5 things you must do in Pattaya nonsense either. I'm telling you, I'm gonna tell you some things that will really save you some money and help you maneuver around town a little bit easier. It's this point too that I should throw in a plug. Whiskey and Rum International Men of Leisure. This is our travel group for guys. We talk about all the different locations that we like to go to, not just Thailand, Philippines, Latin America. We have ultimate guide videos. We have a private chat group. Come over, join your brothers, get good intel, and the moral support's pretty good too. All right, you guys, Danny signing off. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you for watching the videos. I'll see you guys out there.